All right, what's happening this week with me, with Dr. Scott? So first of all, there's the podcast, the Get Busy Livin Podcast. This week we will be with Darren Xerri. So Darren's a practice manager, he's an accountant. So you got any questions about accounting, but also he's run many businesses. So if you got any business questions, please bring them. If you do ask Darren some questions, you get access to my health club. That's the bronze membership for free for 30 days, just by asking Darren some questions. You've got nothing to lose, so much to gain. Why? Because in those 30 days, you'll learn about nutrition, exercise, emotional freedom technique, meditation, roadblocks in your mind, how to kick them to the curb. I teach you about disc profiling, who you are, what's the best partners you should have, what sort of jobs you should have. I also teach you about Chinese medicine, acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine, and the 8 leading chronic diseases. They're killing hundreds of thousands of Australians every year. And it's getting worse. It's not getting better. So bring your questions for Darren. And yeah, as I said, you'll get access to my bronze membership for 30 days for free. Now, the webinar. So the webinar this week will be on Thursday. So I forgot to say the podcast will be on this Thursday. So that'll be the 5th. Yep, the 5th of March. March already. 5th of March at 9 a.m. The webinar will be on at 5 p.m. the same day. And that's where I'm talking about Chinese medicine for Raynaud's disease. Raynaud's disease. So if you know anyone who's got this or you've got it yourself, this is the webinar for you. So if you do want to join in to the webinar, you have to get access to it. You have to join my membership. That's the health club there again. So the silver membership is $29 per month. You get access to the 9 modules I just spoke about. You also get access to these weekly webinars. This week it's on Raynaud's disease, but I've done so many of them. There's over 70 of them. Plenty of content to watch, and that's $29 per month. The gold membership is exactly the same as the bronze and the silver membership, but you also get access to me for 1 hour each week, and we talk about what you want to achieve with your health. So that's $660 per month for the gold and $29 per month for the silver. Now, if the pulse diagnosis, that'll be at the Carseldine Markets. That'll be the 7th, Saturday the 7th. That'll be from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. this Saturday at the Carseldine Markets in the north of Brisbane, Australia. And that's where I offer your free heart pulse diagnosis. That's where I shake your hand, I feel the radial artery in your wrist, and that artery tells me what's going on internally. So it tells me if you've got heart disease. It tells me if you've got a valve issue. It tells me if you've got gallstones, kidney stones. It tells me if you get heartburn. It tells me if you get gut issues. It tells me if you've got a hiatus hernia. It tells me if you've got neck issues. It tells me if you get lower back problems. It tells me if you've got PCOS. It tells me so many different things, okay? So it's a free health assessment. That's on this Saturday, Saturday the 7th of March, 2026. And I'm offering your free heart pulse diagnosis. It's a free health assessment. You've got nothing to lose. All right, guys, I'll see you for the podcast on Thursday. Same with the webinar and the pulse diagnosis on Saturday. Have a great week, guys, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Take care.